As you probably know, the sum of the interior angles of a triangle is always 180 degrees. That's a well-known fact in geometry. Now, if we draw a square and divide it into two triangles with a diagonal line, each triangle has 180 degrees. So the total sum of the interior angles of a square is 2 times 180 equals 360 degrees. Next, let's look at a pentagon. If we draw two lines from one vertex, we can divide it into three triangles. That means the total sum of its interior angles is 3 times 180 equals 540 degrees. We can do the same for a hexagon, heptagon, and octagon. We notice that the number of triangles is always 2 less than the number of sides. For example, in an octagon we have 6 triangles, so the total sum of its angles is 6 times 180 degrees equals 1080 degrees. So, if we have an n-sided polygon, we can always divide it into n-2 triangles. That gives us a general formula for the sum of interior angles. The sum of the interior angles of an n-sided polygon is n-2 multiplied by 180 degrees. This is a simple and visual way to understand this concept, and you can easily try it out with students or kids. Now, to make this lesson even more exciting, we can create a waterfall card and display what we've learned on it. This way, as we pull the card, we can see how the number of sides increases and how the sum of the interior angles changes. Here, I'm building the card step by step. First, we prepare the base, then we layer the pieces on top of each other, and finally, we attach the different polygon shapes to each layer. This card is a great learning tool because it helps kids discover mathematical patterns through touch and movement. As you watch the process of making this card, imagine how this method can be used in a classroom or even at home to enhance learning. With this card, every time we flip to a new layer, the number of sides increases, and we can observe how the sum of the interior angles changes. Once you try it yourself, you'll see how simple and fun it is. If you're a teacher, this is an excellent way to demonstrate geometric concepts in class. And if you're a parent, you can make this craft with your kids to help them learn through play. All right, now it's your turn. Try this method and let me know how it worked for you. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it, and if you'd love to see more videos on learning math through games and crafts, subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Bye.